Hey there, young authors. I'm Coach Wright. That is right as in putting pen to paper. And I'm here to show you how to turn your writing game into a championship-winning effort. Get ready to jump into the world of words, sentences, and paragraphs to explore the strategies and teamwork that can transform you into an MVP of the written word. Today, we're not talking about dribbling or slam dunks, but something equally important: writing. Just like in basketball, writing requires some great teamwork, and paragraphs are the key players in this game. So, let's get started. Why are paragraphs essential in your writing? Well, it's time to break it down just like we break down plays on the court. Let's take a look at how using paragraphs can help you in all types of writing. When you're working on a narrative, paragraphs help you organize different events or ideas. Imagine reading a story without paragraphs. It'd be like playing a basketball game with no strategy. Here's a story without paragraphs. It's tough to follow, right? Now, with paragraphs. Much better. We've separated the events to make it more readable. Just like on the court, we need to pass the ball to the right player at the right time. In writing, that's what paragraphs do. It is important to know that each paragraph has a structure of its own. Think of each paragraph as a sandwich. The topic sentence is like the main ingredient. Let's say it's ham, the sentence that tells you what the whole paragraph is going to be about. The supporting details are the extra layers you add to make the sandwich interesting, like tomatoes, lettuce, and maybe some cheese. These details give more information about the main idea. Lastly, the concluding sentence is like putting the two slices of bread on your sandwich. It wraps everything up and makes the paragraph complete. So when you follow this structure in each paragraph, it's like making a delicious sandwich of information that's easy to understand. Next up, opinion writing. In opinion pieces, paragraphs help you separate different reasons or arguments, just like we defend and attack on the court. Here's an opinion piece without paragraphs. Hard to tell what the author's saying, right? Now, with paragraphs. See how it's easier to follow? Each paragraph presents a different reason or argument. In basketball, we have plays to score points. In opinion writing, paragraphs are your plays to make your point. Each paragraph is about a different reason, making it easier for the reader to understand your opinion. Finally, in informational writing, paragraphs help organize different pieces of information or facts. It's like having a playbook for the game. Here's an informational text without paragraphs. Once again, a bit confusing, isn't it? Now, with paragraphs. Having different sections makes the information easier to understand. Just like we have positions on the basketball court, in informational writing, each paragraph has a role to play. Dividing your facts into paragraphs helps the reader grasp your information and understand the content. Adding a heading to each paragraph can help your reader know what the paragraph will be about. So, whether it's narrative, opinion, or informational writing, remember that paragraphs are your team players. They help you score big in the world of writing. I hope you'll incorporate paragraphs into your writing just like we incorporate strategy into our games. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep writing, keep learning, and stay in the game, both on the court and on the page. This is Coach Wright signing off. Now get out there and write like champions. Here's the Coach Wright replay. Paragraphs help to organize and structure ideas. In narrative writing, paragraphs separate different events or ideas, making the story more readable and clear. In opinion writing, paragraphs help separate different reasons or arguments, improving the presentation of one's viewpoint. In informational writing, paragraphs organize different pieces of information or facts, making the content easier to understand.